This is a 3904. We needed to replace the blower that's part of the dryer that's in here. In order to do that, there's 2 screws up here that are holding it in, along with 2 screws down there. The 2 screws at the top, in order to take them out, I had to remove this piece and this plastic shroud. You can see one screw right there. The other screw is about there. I couldn't unscrew this screw without taking this piece out, unfortunately, but it's only holding but one screw here. And then there's some little slip thing, plastic piece that goes in there that this releases, I think, and it comes out pretty easy. You do have to take out this second dryer rack, but I don't have that out right now. There's one wire harness cable here that's for the blower. There's another smaller one here that's just part of the wiring that goes underneath here. The only thing that didn't work out too well is that there were a bunch of cable clip things here that all broke when I took them out of the other one. And then there's a few grounding wires you have to undo here that are no big deal. And then in order to get the blower out, you have to remove this plate here, which is just 2 screws. You can see this part sort of mates along the edge of this, and there's not enough room to get the whole blower out. And then this is the blower assembly itself. And there's the 2 where the 2 screws go at the bottom. The hole is open, but I still had to remove the screw entirely because there just wasn't enough room to get it to go up and then out. I think if you really knew what you were doing, you could do it without unscrewing these 2. But there's 2 at the top, and these are the ones that I showed on the other side of the dryer that bolt into. These are much bigger screws, and that's what's really holding it in place.